Hey there, everyone. Welcome to today's deep dive into a topic that's absolutely buzzing all around us. The top 10 myths about artificial intelligence. AI is everywhere these days. It's in the apps on our smartphones, the engines of our cars, even the algorithms picking our next Netflix binge. Pretty cool, right? But with all this excitement and chatter, there's a massive cloud of misinformation swirling around, muddying the waters. So, let's grab our metaphorical brooms, sweep away the nonsense, bust some myths wide open, and get to the crystal clear truth about what AI really is and what it definitely isn't. Grab a drink maybe, a coffee, or a soda, settle into your favorite spot, and let's have some fun exploring this wild world of artificial intelligence together. Ready? Here we go. Myth 1: AI will take over the world. Picture this scene. It's the dead of night. A lone computer screen flickers in a dimly lit room, and an AI voice whispers ominously, "Time to rule the world." Chillin', huh? It's straight out of a sci-fi thriller like the opening credits of The Terminator or The Matrix. A surprising number of people genuinely believe AI's heading down this dark path, ready to unleash chaos and enslave humanity. But let's hit the brakes and do a reality check. AI isn't plotting a single thing. It's not sitting there stroking a virtual beard, dreaming of domination. Nope, it's just a tool, not some caped supervillain twirling a mustache. AI doesn't have ambitions, emotions, or a secret agenda tucked away in its code. It's built by human smart folks, like engineers and scientists do, tackle specific tasks, not to stage a global coup. Take the folks at XAI. For example, they're crafting AI to help us unravel the mysteries of the universe, like black holes and distant galaxies, not to build Think about self-driving cars. They're programmed to navigate you safely from your house to the grocery store, not to rally a robot army. Hollywood's fed us this wild image for years, think Skynet, but in the real world AI's more like a trusty sidekick than a world-conquering tyrant. So, take a deep breath and relax, your robot overlords aren't coming anytime soon. Skynet's staying on the big screen, where it belongs. Myth 2: AI is smarter than humans. Alright, let's dive right into this one and tackle it head-on. AI can do some jaw-dropping stuff like crushing grandmasters at chess, or spotting faces in a crowded photo faster than you can say, "Smile." It's even writing songs and poetry these days. Pretty impressive feats, right? But does all that mean it's smarter than us humans? Not even close, not by a long shot. Here's the deal. AI is what experts call narrow intelligence. It's a total rock star at one specific thing it's been trained for, like playing board games, translating languages, or recommending your next YouTube video. But step outside that narrow lane, it's completely lost. Ask an AI to explain why a sunset stirs up nostalgia in your soul, or why rain on a window pane feels cozy, and it'll just sit there, well, process blankly, staring into the digital void. Humans, though, we've got this incredible superpower called general intelligence. We adapt to new situations, feel complex emotions, dream up wild ideas, and connect the dots in ways I can't even fathom. AI's more like a super specialized calculator on steroids, brilliant at its job. But it's not pondering life's big questions over a cup of coffee. Think of it this way. It's your trusty assistant who's amazing at scheduling or math, but it's not about to outsmart you in a debate about love or philosophy. So, no, AI's not poised to outwit humanity anytime soon. It's got its lane, and we've got ours. Myth 3: AI will steal all our jobs. This myth is a real sleep stealer for a lot of folks. Picture a grim future where robots run everything: factories, offices, even coffee shops, and we're all out of work, sipping lukewarm coffee in some endless unemployment line, wondering where it all went wrong. It's a scary thought, no doubt about it. And sure, AI's automating some tasks. Think self-checkout machines at the grocery store, chatbots answering your "where's my package" questions, or even drones delivering pizza. But hold up, there's a flip side to this coin that's way more hopeful. AI isn't just taking jobs, it's creating them too. Back in 2020, the World Economic Forum dropped a report predicting that AI could generate a whopping 97 million new roles by 2025. Jobs like AI trainers, who teach these systems, data analysts who sift through the numbers, or ethics experts, ensuring AI plays fair. Look at history for a second. The Industrial Revolution swapped horses and plows for steam engines and factories. Jobs didn't vanish, they transformed. Farmers became machinists, and new cities sprang up. AI's doing the same thing. Today it's shifting the job landscape, not setting it on fire. Take trucking. Self-driving trucks might handle highways, but humans are still needed for tricky city streets or maintenance. Your career might evolve. Maybe you'll pivot from cashier to tech support, but it's not disappearing into a robotic abyss. So, don't panic just yet. Yes, more of a job remixer than a job thief. Myth 4. AI understands everything. It says, ever had one of those moments with a chatbot where it nails the conversation perfectly, then completely flops? Like, you ask, "What's the weather like today?" and it chirps back, "I love pizza." Okay, what? It's funny, but it reveals something big. AI doesn't actually get what it's saying. Not even a little. It's all a clever illusion. A bit of digital behind the scenes. It's pattern matching, like a pro, trained on mountains of text, data billions of words to predict what comes next. It's not thinking, oh, they want weather info. It's just crunching numbers and spitting out probabilities. Imagine teaching a parrot to talk. It can squawk hello on cue, but it has no clue what hello means. AI's the same way. It can sound brilliant one moment, tossing out witty replies, and totally bonkers the next, missing the context entirely. That's why it stumbles over sarcasm or gets tripped up by a sudden topic switch. I mean, try asking an AI, "Does this shirt make me look cool?" and watch it flounder. It's smart in a technical sense, crazy good at mimicking, but it's not aware, not conscious, not truly understanding. So next time your chatbot goes off the rails, just smell it's doing its best with numbers, not feelings. Myth 5. AI is always unbiased. Here's a hefty one that trips people up. We'd all love to think AI's this perfect, impartial judge hovering above human flaws and messiness. Wouldn't that be awesome? A flawless referee for life's tough calls? But here's the cold, hard truth. AI's not inherently fair, not even close. It's only as good as the data we feed it, and if that data's biased, guess what? The AI turns into a bias machine. Take a real-world case. In 2018, Amazon had to ditch an AI hiring tool because it kept favoring men over women. Why? It was trained on a decade's worth of resumes from a male-dominated tech industry, so it learned, "Hey guys, are the winners here?" and started picking them. It wasn't being sneaky or malicious, it was just math doing what math does. Reflecting patterns. Bias in, bias out. It's that simple. Another example, facial recognition tech has struggled with darker skin tones because early datasets were mostly light-skinned faces. It's not AI's fault, it's ours for giving it skewed homework. Fixing this mess takes human effort, tweaking algorithms, diversifying data, setting ethical guardrails. AI's not a magic wand that wipes out injustice. It's more like a mirror showing us our own flaws. So, no sainthood here, just a tool that needs our guidance to play fair. Myth 6. AI can do anything. AI can feel like a superhero straight out of a comic book, can't it? It's out there writing essays for students, powering self-driving Teslas zipping down the highway, even helping doctors spot tiny cancerous cells on X-rays. It's mind-blowing stuff. So, can it do everything? Well, not quite. Let's pump the brakes on that idea. Here's the scoop. Every AI system is custom-built for one specific job, a single superpower, if you will. A language model like me. I can chat your ear off, generate stories, or help with homework. But don't ask me to drive a car or whip up a lasagna. I'd be utterly useless. A medical AI can analyze scans like a pro, but it's not going to pen you a love poem or fix a leaky faucet. Plus, AI's not some standalone genius. It needs massive piles of data to train on and constant human fine-tuning to stay sharp. Without that, it's like a superhero without a cape, just floundering. Think of it like a chef with a spatula. Fantastic at flipping pancakes. But try asking them to rebuild your car's engine, and you're out of luck. AI's powerful, no doubt, but it's not a one-size-fits-all miracle worker. It's got limits. And that's okay. Myth 7. AI is too complicated for regular people. Think AI is just for the brainiac tech wizards in Silicon Valley, hunched over laptops in dimly lit labs. That's a myth, begging to be busted wide open. Let's shatter it right now. Sure, building AI from scratch takes serious skill, coding, math, data science, the whole nerdy package. But using it, that's a whole different story. And it's for all of us, yes, including you. You're already knee-deep in AI every day without even realizing it. Asking Alexa for the latest news? That's AI scrolling through TikTok's perfectly curated video feed. AI again? Snapping a selfie with those funky face filters that turn you into a puppy. Yup, AI's behind that too. Companies are racing to make it even easier. Think drag and drop tools that let you design apps or games without writing a single line of code. It's not some exclusive club with a secret handshake. It's a tool democratizing creativity and convenience. Look at history. Cars were once for mechanics only, but now anyone can drive. AI's on that same path. No lab coat or PhD required. Just a sprinkle of curiosity and a willingness to play around. So, next time you hear AI's too complicated, tell them they're wrong. It's already your everyday buddy. Myth 8. AI will replace human creativity. Can AI whip up a stunning painting or churn out a gripping novel? You bet it's wild what it can pull off these days. Tools like DALL-E can generate artwork that looks like it belongs in a gallery, and GPT models can spin tales that rival a decent paperback, but replace human creativity entirely. Whoa, hold up, let's not get carried away. Here's the thing. AI creates by remixing what it's been fed billions of images, words, and patterns mashed together into something new. It's clever, sure, like a master DJ sampling old tracks, but it's not dreaming up originals from a blank slate. Humans, we're different. We pour raw emotion, personal struggle, and that spark of soul into our art. AI doesn't feel the electric thrill of a blank canvas, the sting of a broken heart inspiring a song, or the late-night epiphany of a poet. Take Picasso. His cubism came from a human mind wrestling with the world, not a dataset. AI's more like a collaborator. It can spark ideas, fill in blanks, or polish your draft, but the vision, the guts, the humanity, that's all you. It's a paintbrush or a guitar pick. Handy as heck, but you're the one strumming the chords, or stroking the masterpiece. So, no, AI is not stealing the artist's crown, it's just handing us better tools. Myth 9. AI is a new invention. AI feels so futuristic, doesn't it? Like it burst onto the scene yesterday with ChatGPT or those creepy robot dogs. But hold on, its roots stretch way, way back, and it's got a richer history than you might think. Picture the 1950s. Alan Turing, the math genius who cracked wartime codes, sits down and asks, "Can machines think?" That's the birth of AI, right? They're a question that kicked off decades of tinkering. Early systems were clunky but cool. They'd played checkers against humans, winning a few rounds. Fast forward to the 90s, and IBM's Deep Blue made headlines by taking down chess legend Garry Kasparov in a nail-biting match. Computers were officially flexing. But today's AI boom, it's not some sudden eureka moment. It's the payoff of years of grinding. Faster processors, oceans of data from the internet, and slicker algorithms have turbocharged it. From those early days of punch cards to the sleek systems we've got now. It's like wine, it's been aging for over 70 years, getting better with time. So, next time someone says AI's brand new, you can drop some history on the MIT. It's been simmering longer than most of us have been alive. Pretty neat, huh? Myth 10. AI will solve all our problems. Last but not least, we've got the big hope myth, the idea that AI's the golden key to fix everything. Some folks dream it'll swoop in like a superhero to tackle climate change, cure cancer, end world hunger, and maybe even sort out your messy love life. It's tempting to see it as this shiny silver bullet, right? But slow down, AI's not Superman flying in with a cape. It's awesome at what it does, crunching insane amounts of data, like predicting hurricane paths, or modeling how a new drug might zap a virus. But fixing humanity's messiest problems, that's a team effort, and AI is just one player. Take climate change. AI can track carbon emissions or optimize solar panels, but humans have to ditch the gas guzzlers and pass the laws. Cancer? It can spot patterns in scans, but doctors and researchers design the treatments. World hunger? AI might boost crop yields, but politics and logistics still need human hands. It's not a savior. It can't untangle ethics, navigate diplomacy, or make tough moral calls. Think of it as a turbocharged teammate, amplifying our efforts, not waving a magic wand. We're the ones who have to step up. AI just gives us a heck of a boost. And there you have it, the top 10 myths about artificial intelligence, officially debunked, dissected, and laid bare. From nightmares of world domination to job-stealing robots, we've peeled back every layer. AI's incredible, don't get me wrong. It's changing how we live, work, and dream. But it's not the wild sci-fi fantasy or apocalyptic horror show some folks imagine. It's a Tula, human-made marvel bursting with potential yet riddled with limits we're still figuring out. So, next time someone spins a tall tale about AI, you've got a treasure trove of facts to set 'em straight. Thanks for hanging out with me on this epic myth-busting journey. It's been a blast. Stay curious, keep asking questions, and I'll catch you next time for more adventures in truth-seeking.